a RISER section.
Welcome. Today we are learning a bass riser for your buildups. And it's going to be sick. It's going to be dope. We're going to get it popping. So let's hear it first off.
Danger is imminent.
Woo! Okay. Yes, that's it. This is my newest song, Prometheus, out now on Spotify, Apple Music. Get the free download on my SoundCloud, link in the description. But we are learning how to make the build up bass riser here. And the good thing about this is it's really easy to make and you can make so many different basses with it. So let's check it out. First off, if you look over here, it's at negative 17.1. So we're pretty low in volume. And if you look on the track, we only have an EQ8 taking out some of the lows. Very minimal post-processing. If you open up the patch, you can see here we're going to have the creeper wavetable, which is right here in spectral. Randoms all the way down. We have this filter MG Low 12 on. Its cutoff is at 132, so we're only really hearing the low frequencies. Resonance is up 63%, and the fat is at 18%. Filter is giving it a little bit of oomph. Now, if you want to get this actual just preset and rack right away, just get it in my Patreon. That will be in the description as well. But if you guys are up to the task, I'm going to show you how to make all of it right here. Next thing is the noise section. So there's like white noise building up when the bass is building up, which is really cool. So we add the noise, air can, number 1 in organics, levels at 25%, pitches all the way up at 100. And if you look here, the LFO1, so nothing happening here. None of the modes are turned on. The rate's still at 1.4, so we didn't mess with this section. We just made sure that the levels turned all the way up in oscillator A, and the random is all the way down. Before we switch to the effects, make sure that your pitch bend is 12. Pitch bend range up 12. Make sure that is there because we're going to pitch bend it here shortly. Now let's get into the effects. First off, listen to it without the effects. That's a weak boy. That's a weak boy. So first we got to get hyper turned on. Mix is at 50%. Rate's at 40. Detune's 25. Dimension is all the way down. This is adding stereo width. And we get the distortion, tube distortion, drive all the way up, and we distort that sucker. Yes, that's exactly what we need all the time, distortion. And then we're adding the multi-band compressor after it to pump up the lows, mids, and highs to an extreme level. Gains at 15.4 decibels. Let's run it. Wow, amazing. It really only takes a little bit of will do, and a little bit of sauce to get it all done. All right, last thing we have to make sure we do is get the pitch bend. Earlier we did 12 up. Now we're going to open up the clip. If you look in our section over here, you're going to go to the envelope section, so just click here. Now, when you get into your envelope section, you're going to go to the MIDI control and go to the pitch bend, which is the first one. From here, you can automate the pitch bend. So usually it's at 0. And what you're going to do is you're going to make 2 dots. So you're going to make a dot here at the end, and then you're going to make a rise all the way up. So then now it's going to pitch bend all the way up from the start. Make sure it's from the start. So Before. After.
Danger is imminent.
Yes, that's it. That's how we make the bass riser. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment for more of these. So much more coming soon. And this song, once again, is out now. So go listen to it. Enjoy, guys. Peace out. Have a good night. Later.
Danger is imminent.